The MP300 succeeds in performing the most difficult work on wood or particular plastic materials. It is ideal for profiling, grooving, milling, chamfering, trimming, and cutting out. This extremely versatile device allows the exact finishing of edges and longitudinal sections of picture frames and wood profiles, as well as applications in modelling, such as for doors, flaps, and housing parts. The cutter, together with the precisely manufactured milling shaft borne on double ball bearings and the drive components, is height adjustable. The hand wheel, providing a firm grip, helps achieve very fine adjustment of the milling depth, whether you want to approach the desired depth freely or by setting the exact value. This is accomplished without any problems by means of the adjustable scale ring, which can be zeroed to allow precise setting. Furthermore, a cutter guard is provided so that your fingers remain safe. This transparent guard always lets you know what is going on behind it. The scope of delivery includes a practical angle stop and a longitudinal stop made of polished aluminium. These elements have a wide adjustment range, allowing accurate and perfectly straight machining of workpieces of diverse widths. Adaptation to different workpiece widths is easy. Several threads positioned across the width of the table on both sides offer a variety of individually selectable combinations. The groove clearance can be set by swiveling the stop. And we're ready. For a precise feed, the table is made of very strong extruded anodized aluminium. This results in a beautiful scratch-proof surface possessing optimal sliding properties. And to make full use of the flexibility offered by the choice of cutters, these can be easily interchanged. Our set of carbide cutters contains 10 different milling profiles. One more very important thing. It is highly recommended to always work with a dust suction unit. For this purpose, the MP300 is equipped with a suction channel and neck. Naturally, the right kind of suction unit is also available here. We recommend using our quiet, powerful and compact CW-matic workshop vacuum cleaner. Proxxon, tools with character.